my dear children. Myself Sujata Mahesh. Today we are going to learn a new chapter, A Triumph of Surgery. Triumph of Surgery is a story written by James Herriot. James Herriot was a British veterinary surgeon and writer. He was born on 3rd October 1916 in Sunderland, England. His real name was James Alfred Wright, but he wrote under the pen name James Herriot. He died on 1995 at the age of 75. This is a very interesting story. The story recounts or narrates the episode where the narrator, here the James Herriot himself, is a veterinary surgeon and how he saves the life of a small dog named Tricky, which was pampered and overfed by his rich mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey. Tricky falls seriously ill, and his mistress consults a veterinary surgeon. So let us find out, does the surgeon perform an operation? Does the dog recover, or is it a triumph of surgery? Here triumph means victory. Is it a victory? From the first part of the story, you are going to find out answers to these questions. Why is Mrs. Pumphrey worried about Tricky? What does she do to help him? Is she wise in this? Who does I refer to in the story? In the story, I refers to Mr. Herriot himself. He is the narrator as well as the veterinary surgeon. One day in the street, doctor meets the dog and his mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey. He was shocked at dog's appearance. Dog looked hugely fat, like a bloated sausage, with a leg at each corner. Eyes were bloodshot and roomy. Stared straight ahead and his tongue lolled from his jaws. Mrs. Pumphrey explained to Dr. Mr. Herriot about Tricky's health condition. As the dog appeared to be so listless or seemed to have no energy, mistress thought that he was suffering from malnutrition. She overfed him by giving copious amount of food, which included milk, cod liver oil, and a bowl of Horlicks. Every night it was given Horlicks to make him sleep. Even though doctor had instructed her earlier to cut down on the sweet things, she gave cream cakes and chocolates too, as it liked them very much. Tricky's fault was his greed. He had never been known to refuse food. He would tackle a meal at any hour of the day or night. Usually, their gardener, Hodgkin, used to make him do some exercise. As Hodgkin, the gardener, had been down with lumbago, there were no more exercise. Lumbago means rheumatic pain in muscles of lower back. Doctor warned the lady to cut short the diet or else he would be really ill. Mrs. Pumphrey moved with the dog as if determined to put the new regime into practice immediately. Regime means prescribed course of exercise and diet. Doctor watched them for a while. Tricky was tottering along in his little tweed coat. The dog was wearing a woolen coat. He had a whole wardrobe of these coats for the cold weather and a raincoat for the wet days. Very beautiful to see it walking in his harness. Harness means the ornamental covering that was worn on the dog. Doctor expected a call from Mrs. Pumphrey very soon. The call came within a few days. Mrs. Pumphrey was distraught. That is, she was upset. Tricky would eat nothing. refused even his favorite dishes, and had bouts. Bouts means repeated vomiting, and spent all his time lying on a rug or on a carpet, panting, and he didn't want to do anything. Doctor already had a plan to get Tricky out of the house for a period, so suggested he be hospitalized for observation. Hearing this, the poor lady swooned, almost fainted. Lady was sure the dog would die for not seeing her. Doctor took a firm line and marched out to the car, carrying the little dog wrapped in a blanket. The rest of the scene was very funny and interesting. The entire staff at the house was roused. Maids rushed in and out, bringing his daybed, his nightbed, favorite cushions, toys, and rubber rings. Breakfast bowl, lunch bowl, supper bowl. Doctor realized his car would never hold all the stuff. All were in tears. Doctor was sure he could cure him. In the next part, we are going to read and find out, is the narrator as rich as Tricky's mistress? How does he treat the dog? Why is he tempted to keep Tricky as a permanent guest? Why does Mrs. Pumphrey think the dog's recovery is a triumph of surgery? So the dog was taken to the surgery. Surgery means house where the doctor works. All the other dogs present there crowded around the doctor, seeing the new dog. Tricky was put down. He lay motionless. Other dogs, after sniffing around him for a few seconds, understood it was an uninteresting object and ignored him. Doctor made up a bed for him and kept a watch on him for 2 days by giving him no food but plenty of water. At the end of the second day, he started to show some interest in his surroundings, and on the third day, he began to whimper, that is, to make some noise when he heard the dogs in the yard. Doctor let Tricky out. Tricky was engulfed by Joe the greyhound and his friends. Tricky followed them, rolling with his surplus fat. Slowly started eating food, then on his progress was rapid. No medical treatment, but all day he ran about with the dogs, joining in their friendly scrimmages. Scrimmages means they fight. He discovered the joy of being in the company of other dogs. He became an accepted member of the gang. Here, the narrator describes Tricky as a silky little object among the shaggy crew. He was fighting like a tiger for a share at mealtimes and hunting rats in the old hen house at night. He had never had such a time in his life. On the other side, Mrs. Pumphrey anxiously called Dr. Descentine to know about his health conditions. The questions included whether his cushions were being turned regularly or whether his correct coat was worn according to the weather. But doctor only replied that the little fellow was out of danger and convalescing rapidly. Convalescing means gaining health. The word convalescing didn't satisfy Mrs. Pumphrey, so she brought round fresh eggs, 2 dozen at a time, to build up Tricky's strength. The doctor and his partners were very happy to have 2 eggs each for breakfast. But when the bottles of wine began to arrive, the real possibilities of the situation began to dawn on the household. It was to enrich Tricky's blood. For doctor and his friend, lunch became a ceremonial occasion with 2 glasses of wine and several during the meal. One day, doctor couldn't believe when the brandy came to put a final edge on Tricky's constitution. For a few nights, the fine spirit was rolled around, inhaled, and reverently drunk by the doctor and his friends. The doctor felt to keep the little dog as a permanent guest, but considering the feelings of Mrs. Pumphrey, called her and informed her to take him back. Within minutes, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. The chauffeur opened the door and could just make out the figure of Mrs. Pumphrey with her trembling lips and asked, "Is he really better?" She couldn't believe the dog was fine. The doctor brought back Tricky, who was playing in the garden with other dogs. In 2 weeks, he had been transformed into a hard muscled animal. When Tricky saw his mistress sailed into Mrs. Pumphrey's lap, he swarmed over her, licking her face and barking. All the belongings of Tricky were returned. Mrs. Pumphrey cried out of joy and thanked the doctor and said, "That was really a triumph of surgery." Hope you like the story. Now it's time for you to read the textbook. Read it, then answer all the questions given at the end of the chapter. Thank you.